you need to keep your Mac from sleeping while working on a task and you're running the latest macOS Tahoe, let me show you a little trick, and we'll use the Shortcuts app. And we'll create a new shortcut with the plus. And we're going to use a shell script called caffeinate. We'll run the shell script, so we'll drag this over here. If you don't already have preferences set, you may get this message. Just choose Open Preferences, allow running scripts, and you can close that window. And now we can type in caffeinate. And if we don't want the display to go to sleep, we can also do a -D for keeping the display on. And we'll change the icon because that icon looks dumb. The command's caffeinate, so let's search for a cup. We'll change it to a cup and change the icon to something a little better. And then I'll click on that icon and that will set it right here. And we can name it whatever we want. Some people call it Stay Awake. I'll call it caffeinate. And click off of it when you're done. If you don't click off of it after typing caffeinate, it won't save your changes. So let's close the window, and now we have the script right here in a shortcut. To test it, we'll hit the play button, and up here we can see that it's running. The screen won't turn off while that's up here. If I want to stop it, I click on it and I choose stop. There's a few ways to access it, obviously in shortcuts, but that's not convenient. We can find it inside Spotlight Search and run it from there, and it comes up just as well through there. But there's one other way to get it up here. I can have a little icon up here. So I'll choose that, select Edit Controls, find our shortcuts, and in shortcuts we have an individual shortcut. So we'll drag that up here wherever we want it. I'll put it there. And I'll choose the shortcut. I'll choose caffeinate, the one we just made. Choose done to close that, and we can close that as well. Now I can start caffeinate just like that. This way it doesn't open a terminal window. It runs the shell script, keeping the Mac awake, and it's easy to stop just by clicking on it and shutting it down. I hope you found it helpful.